Welcome to Meditation Monday. This is the Meditation for Beginners series. Your mind is a highway of thoughts, and you are used to constantly being entertained either by your electronic devices or by other people. Modern day people don't allow themselves to get bored, as there are so many ways for us to fill the silence. We are therefore not used to just sit in silence and connect with our body and mind. Meditation can therefore sometimes feel a bit boring, as it almost feels unnatural to us. So if you're one of those people who do not quite understand why people are enjoying meditation, then don't worry, everything needs some time to get used to. Some people will feel the calming effect of meditation immediately, and others will have to get used to meditation before they're able to enjoy it. If this is you, then here are some advice on how you can better enjoy meditation. Don't have too much on your mind. If you have too many things on your mind, such as concerns or things you have to do, maybe pick another time for your meditation, as you do not want that to distract you. You can also simply write down all the things you need to take care of to get it out of your mind and your system, so that you're able to fully let go as you meditate. Understand why you are meditating. If you're just meditating because people have told you how wonderful it feels, then that might not be motivation enough for you to commit to it. So look at all the different benefits there are with daily meditation and find out how it can directly improve your physical and mental health and how it will affect your life. Think of it like exercise. Some people do it because they enjoy it, but most of us do it because of the effect it has on our body and our health, and we realize how important it is, which becomes the force that motivates us when we're just getting started. Try to meditate right after a workout. When you have just been working out, you have had a chance to release all the energy from your body, making you exhausted and tired. Nothing feels better than to just lie down and completely relax after a hard workout, as your body is heavy and your mind is calm. Consider yoga. If you are more into being physically active, then maybe you should try out yoga instead, as that is also healthy for your body and mind, and usually you will end each session with a meditation exercise. Listen to guided meditations. If you find it difficult to stay focused, then try listening to some guided exercises with soft meditation music in the background. This is a great way for both beginners and trained to avoid getting distracted and actually complete the exercise. Make it a habit. Anything that is not a part of our daily routine is easily replaced with something more exciting, and we then have to remind ourselves every day to do the meditation exercise, which makes it feel more like a chore than something we actually enjoy doing. By making meditation a natural part of your day, it won't feel like a chore, but something you need and crave. To make it a habit, choose a specific time each day to do the exercise. Whether this is in the morning, afternoon, or evening is completely up to you. Be excited about the exercise by choosing a meditation that is relevant for you right now. So maybe you're dealing with a lot of stress. Then maybe you will enjoy some mindfulness or guided visualization meditations. Maybe you're dealing with anxiety and need some great breathing techniques to calm your mind and body. Or maybe you're working on spiritual enlightenment and enjoy exercises like chakra meditation, angel meditation, or chanting meditation. Do what feels right for you. I really hope you found this video helpful. Check out my Etsy shop for printable planners and worksheets to help you get more structure and balance into your life. The link is in the description below. I am jbittersweet, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste.